My name is Matthew Charlin. I'm a director at l'École de l'Automobile. Please join us in conversation about l'École de l'Automobile.
Hello, I'm Dave Demercon from Gale Force Winds, and I'm here at the École de l'Automobile, and we have a guest who's going to introduce himself now.
Yeah, my name is Anouar Haouaria, and I'm a student in École de Automotive à Montreal. I'm studying mechanics, automobile technician, automotive mechanics, and in English. And I'm actually, what brought me here to begin with is my passion about cars and fixing cars and everything about it. I'm more into, to be honest, I'm more into classical cars, but to get the mechanics and everything, you need to get the basics. So that's why I'm here.
So classical cars, what would you consider, like a 57 Chevy or an old Porsche or an Aston Martin, or James Bond?
So what actually dragged me to the passion of cars is my dad had a Cadillac Fleetwood 88.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, and it was pretty classical, and that's actually what, yeah, that was the reason why I loved the classical cars for sure. Yeah.
Did he let you look around and play around with the engine a little bit?
I was a little young for that, to be honest. Yeah, I was still a little young for that, but I was just the sound of the engine.
Yeah.
And when my dad used to fix it, I used to be like curious about what's wrong with the car, why it's not moving, why it's wrong, what's this, what's that.
Yeah.
So that was pretty much it. Yeah.
So you were able to bond with your dad a little bit over the vehicle.
Oh, big time.
And he kind of, without even trying to teach you, he just taught you anyway, right?
Yeah, just the fact that he has that car, it got me hooked to mechanics, yeah, for sure.
Ah. So tell me about the school here. What's your favorite kind of area of study, or what do you prefer to do? Do you like the workshop? Do you like the classroom?
I would say I'm more of a workshop guy.
Yeah.
Since I like to work with my hands.
Yeah.
And that's actually another reason why I'm here, because when I started to the work field, I tried many things. I was working there and here and trying to like find myself, as they say. And I found the most thing I'm the best at is working with my hands. So when I started here, I know that it's very important to get the theoric side.
Of course, yeah.
Of course, it's everything, but to work with my hand would be my favorite part, yeah.
Ah. And so you're passionate about that. What do you want to do after this is done? You'll be a qualified, trained specialist. You'll be a technician. You'll have a skill. You won't have to go to Tim Hortons or whatever unless you want a coffee. What kind of work do you want to do?
Well, I would say I think I will start as an apprentice somewhere, hopefully at dealership, so I could get the standards and get like the best knowledge possible, since those guys trying to always keep their shops and up to date and trying to always maintain the standards, and it's a big deal for these people, especially the dealerships. So I would say I think I will start from there. Finally, try to apply for jobs in dealerships and stuff, and we'll see from there. Yeah.
Well, it sounds very interesting. What about your other students here? Do you have some friendships? Do you get along with the people here?
Oh yeah, honestly, here most of my students are kind, passionate people, just into cars, just as me. So we have like mutual interests we talks about, mechanics, of course.
Yeah.
And yeah, pretty much in general, everybody seems kind and supportive.
Well, what I've heard from different instructors and from other students is that the instructors really want you to succeed, and they also really want you to be satisfied with your training. They're not trying to hide little secrets. They want you to learn everything.
Yeah.
Do you find that? Are they open to teaching?
Honestly, yes. Even the other day, I was asking another teacher that's not even in my class, and he was just open to answers all my questions, and he seems very helpful.
Oh, that's good. They all seem to have a whole lot of experience, eh?
Yeah.
What's it like to work with people who really have been there, done that for years?
Yeah, more experienced, yeah.
Yeah, they can sort of tell you. They can probably listen to something and know what's going on.
True that, yeah. They have more experience than I, of course, and that's what I'm up to learn from the best.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
So you said you were originally from Morocco before we started. Are there any good Moroccan restaurants around here?
Well, honestly, that's another topic since I'm a cook as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I work in Vargas
Oh, there-
Steakhouse in downtown,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and I'm really into cooking as well, by the way. And honestly, from that side, I found that the Moroccan cuisine is a little bit not in the picture.
Oh, yeah.
In Montreal, there's many places though. Don't get me wrong, but I didn't try any of them
Yeah.
since I find they could do better. You know.
Well, maybe you can up the ante with that as well.
That's actually one of my ideas, yeah.
Perfect.
In the future, why not?
Look, thank you very much for our discussion.
My pleasure.
I'm glad that you're enjoying yourself. You really seem to have a great fit here, and I can tell you're going to be successful going forward.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for joining us. For more information, ecoloto.com.